Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, nakapagtala ang Bureau of Customs ng pinakamalaking nakolektang revenue na pumalo sa mahigit 200 bilyong piso. Yan ang ulat ni Bien Manalo.
Sa ginanap na Saturday News Forum, ipinagmalaki ng Bureau of Customs na pumalo na sa mahigit 200 bilyong piso ang kanilang total revenues. Karamihan dito ay voluntary payments mula sa mga kumpanya sa pamamagitan ng kanilang disclosure program na umabot sa 1.88 billion pesos. Halos 4 na milyong piso naman ang nalikom ng kagawaran mula sa mga public auction. Ito na ang pinakamalaking nakolektang revenue sa kasaysayan ng BOC.
We also collected 219.385 billion pesos in total revenue. That's a surplus of 8.489 from our target for that particular period. No? So there's a surplus of about more than 8 billion pesos by the Bureau of Customs for the first quarter of 2024.
Bukod dito, ipinagmalaki rin ng BOC ang kanilang digitalization program.
For the first quarter of 2024, we're at 96.99% digitalized. That means that 161 out of the 166 processes of the Bureau of Customs are now digitalized. Now, the few that are yet to be digitalized are those processes that needs interlinkages with other government agencies.
Tinalakay din ang pagbuo sa Custom Industry Consolidative and Advisory Council na tututok sa epektibong pagpapatupad ng mga pulisiya.
Create the Customs Industry Consultative and Advisory Council so that we can run through some of the policies that we intend to implement and get the feedback from our stakeholders.
Tiniyak ng BOC na nakikipag-ugnayan na sila sa iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan, partikular sa DICT, para resolbahin ang nangyaring hacking sa system ng ahensya, kabilang na ang Customer Care Portal System.
By law, we're obligated to inform the public 72 hours and also the DICT, 72 hours after we discovered the incident of the problems that we've encountered. The unit under the DICT in charge of identifying the breach that was conducted is now looking into it. An investigation has already been launched by the Privacy Commission also and the Bureau of Customs to determine the lapses that were encountered, why this came about.
Sa huli ay siniguro ng BOC na gumagawa na sila ng mga hakbang para maiwasan pa ang hacking at hindi na rin maabuso pa ang anumang impormasyon. Bien Manalo para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.